Hi, today I'm going to show you how to automate the packaging process of your solution when using Axon.ivy. Here I have built a project. It contains just one simple process and a welcome screen. Classically, I will now use the expert wizard to create an Ivy archive out of it that I can deploy to an engine. But today I will use the deployment descriptor. Click on Maven POM editor, and now we see a file that describes how Maven can create a package out of this. We did not touch that yet. It just contains the defaults, and therefore we can run it with the context menu. Therefore I select run as Maven build. Then I type clean verify and run. Basically, clean verify instruments Maven to first clean up, and afterwards it will compile my project, as we see here in the log, and afterwards it will verify the results. Here we see the build succeeded. Therefore, I will first refresh my project, then look into the target directory, and yes, here we have the solution as Ivy archive. Now here I have a browser showing an Axon.ivy engine running in demo modes, therefore it only has one application, the demo portal. Now I use the cockpit to deploy my just created package. I will log in with the demo credentials, admin. I go to the applications view, create a new application, which I call my solution, save it, and I use the deployment wizard from the web, choose my just created Ivy archive out of the target directory of my project, upload it, and the wizard will tell me with log output that basically everything was deployed as expected. Then I go back to the main page of the Axon.ivy engine. And now we see that there is a new application here, the My Solution, and it contains one process start. And if I run it, we see the welcome screen that I had within my project. Therefore, the packaging seemed to be valid, and we were able to simply deploy it over the web.